In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit for Python programming. Whether you're new to programming or an experienced developer looking to streamline your workflow, Replit offers a powerful and user-friendly platform to build and run your Python projects effortlessly. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started. First things first, access Replit by heading over to their website. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, it's easy to create one. Just follow the prompts to set up your account securely. Once you're logged in and on the home page, you'll notice the Replit Agent input box. This is where the magic begins. Replit Agent is a helpful feature designed to assist you in building your Python applications, simplifying the process by taking your project descriptions and transforming them into fully fledged applications. Now let's describe your Python project. In the Replit Agent input box, enter a brief natural language description of the application you're looking to create. For instance, you might type something like, "Create a Python script that fetches weather data from an API and displays it in a user-friendly format." Try to be as clear and concise as possible in your description, as this will help Replit understand and execute your vision more accurately. Once you've entered your project's description, it's time to customize it to fit your specific needs. Replit allows you to tailor your project by enabling you to attach additional files that might be necessary for your application. Additionally, you can specify any frameworks you want to use. For web applications, for instance, you might choose Flask as your framework. Moreover, you can define environment variables that your project will require. Taking the time to customize your project setup can greatly enhance its functionality and ease of use. With everything set, the next step is to initiate the build process. You'll do this by clicking the Start Building button. This action triggers the Replit agent to generate the necessary files and configure the environment for your project. Behind the scenes, it's doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you, setting up the directory structure, installing dependencies, and making sure everything is wired up correctly. This automation not only saves you time, but reduces the likelihood of errors that can arise from manual setup. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've used Replit to create and set up your Python programming project. The platform's ability to translate your project description into a working application exemplifies its power and convenience, making Python development accessible and efficient. So whether you are starting a new project or managing an ongoing one, Replit has the tools and functionality to support your programming journey. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.